subscribe to the channel if you're not already part of the family. How is everybody doing today? Good, because I am back with the exciting video, you guys. Today your girl is gonna play in the kitchen, you guys. Yeah, are you following me? Okay, so dig. So, first of all, thank you for my new subscribers and thank you for all my riders. I really appreciate it. And yes, you guys, if you're with me for the first time, come join the team. Yes, I would love to hear from you. So make sure you leave a comment below so I'll know where to go. So yeah, you guys, so today what we are going to do today what we're going to do is we're going to make us some homemade cinnamon rolls. Now, I got the ingredient for the homemade bread and biscuit, and we're going with the biscuit recipe from Granny Carmel. I hope you guys know who that is. And if you don't, hey, I definitely will leave her link in below. So yes. Now, I was at the store and I grabbed the wrong flour. I grabbed all purpose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just substitute and add my own baking powder and my own salt in it. So yeah, for every cup, I'm going to add a teaspoon and a half of baking soda. So we're only using 2, so we're going to throw 3 in there, right? Because we want to make our own cinnamon rolls. You guys, I had the funniest circumstances lay before me. So, here go 1 cup of flour, right? So, this is our 2nd cup of flour. Now that's all the flour I'm going to use in this recipe. Just going to stick this right here. And so yeah, we're going to put us 2 teaspoons of salt. Just like so. Just like so. And we're going to add 3 for our powder. 1, 2. I know I slap it right on in there just like so. Because we're going to turn this into self-rising flour. Right? So let me close this up and get some of this up. Okay guys, so we're just gonna lightly swift, because that flour is pre-swifted, but you know, we're just gonna mix them 3 ingredients. There go that flour, y'all. When you know what you're doing in the kitchen, it just fall right on out the bowl. So we got some whipped cream, heavy whipping cream, and I'm just opening up like so. I'm just gonna roll that on in here, little by little. Why? Because this should make an amazing cinnamon roll. Oh, should make an amazing cinnamon roll. Boy, I remember I used to just make this for all my grandkids. Oh. We're just gonna pour a little more. I know y'all said I know she ain't gonna do that with her hands. No, I'm not. And there you go. Carter, can you throw this away for Grandma? And the reason why I'm doing this is because Carter asked me the other day, you guys. This is so funny. He said, Grandma, all the grandmamas make cookies. Why you don't make cookies? Okay, guys. So, I had to change that fork. So now what I'm going to do is sit this aside. And I'm just going to get my little board. And I don't know why I put my flour up. Trying to make me some space around here. Biscuit dough. We're going to lay that out. Just like so. And get it right on down here. Just like so. Oh, y'all, my gloves too big. But we're okay with it. Okay. Oh. Now I'll be the first to admit, this ain't pretty. Oh, but we got a nice perm going on. Just work with me now. So we're going to get this on down in here. These gloves is a mess. These gloves is a mess, you guys. Oh. Yes. But once I get it to the consistency, y'all know what I mean, okay? We're just gonna go on and get it to where we need it at. And then your girl gonna make some delicious cinnamon rolls. Okay, and I think that's enough. But we're gonna do it one more time. We're gonna do it one more time. And you guys get... Okay, guys. So we're back. I have it right where I want it. And what I'm gonna do is, I don't have my rolling pin. And that's okay. Because your girl is just gonna smash it out. Right? I'm gonna smash it out. We're gonna flip it and do some more smashing. Right? It's okay. Just like so. It's not gonna be perfect. I'm not guaranteeing you that. But you definitely will have cinnamon rolls. Okay. Let's see. Okay, we good. So now what we have here is little cinnamon and brown sugar. And we just gonna carry that on around. Yeah. We're gonna carry that on around. Now my next move is I'm just gonna lightly give it a fold. We're gonna roll. Just like so. Just like so. Okay, and we got like I said, I'm no pro, but definitely enjoys the kitchen. Okay, so we're back. So now what I am gonna do is I am gonna cut these . If you like cinnamon buns, you will enjoy these. I will not put them straight in the oven because I'm gonna let them rest and maybe plump a little. Maybe I should have used a knife. But I have a grease pan right here. And we're just gonna lightly pick it up, put a pinch, and lay it down. And lay it down. Let's get this one. So you guys, I have them right here. And I'm just gonna let them rest on here with the towel over them for a few. Let me get my towel. For a few, and that's it. Maybe about 20 minutes at the most. Okay guys, so here go our Cinnabons. Let me see how would I? Actually, I'm not gonna. Now, what we have on here is a brown sugar glaze. You guys, oh, look at there. So, let me see if I can pull it off. Look at there. So, I'm just going to put these on the cooling rack and we'll be back. So, what we are doing now is putting us a simple white glaze onto them. You guys, if you haven't tried this, please do so. And make you some delicious Cinnabons, cinnamon rolls, right out of your own kitchen. And no, it doesn't matter which way the pattern goes. So thank you for viewing this video. Thumbs it straight up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already part of the fam. Oh yes. I'm making sure every morsel has a little bit of glaze. And plus, waste not, want not. So this is all the glaze I am adding. Why? Because we're out of glaze. We are so out of glaze. Let's test one. So we had our little ones in between, right? And we're just gonna go ahead and test this out for you guys. Look at their deliciousness. I want to test in the middle. Well, let me test this one. So delicious. Quick, easy, and right out of your kitchen. So with that being said, I'm going to get ready to close out. You guys enjoy your day. And yes, share this video with everyone. Let me know what the girl is coming up with. And yes, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already part of the fam. Goodbye.